small business owner. I like your establishment. Great selection, great vibe, tidy shelves. A little too tidy? Where are all the customers? Oh, here's one. He's reading reviews of your business on Yelp. Maybe he'll drop by after work. Or maybe not. Here's another one. She's searching for a shop exactly like yours, but you're not showing up on the first page of results. That's unfortunate. This lady has heard about your store, but she can't find your address. For some reason, Google is sending her to your old location on West 7th Street. Oh, I see what's going on here. You're so focused on making your business great out there in the real world that you don't have time to think about what's going on in here. Well, guess what? Your reputation lives in here now. On search engines, social networking, review sites, and whatever the next big thing is. It can be a bit overwhelming. What if I told you that there's an easy online tool available for a low monthly price that will help you keep this under control? It alerts you to new reviews and makes it easy to respond to negative ones. It shows you every time your business is mentioned on Twitter, blogs, anywhere on the web. And using automated sentiment analysis technology, it highlights the most positive and negative mentions. It shows you all the places your business information is listed, identifies missing and incorrect information, and it helps you fix it. It analyzes how you're performing compared to your competitors. Well, it looks like everything's neatly squared away now. And what's that? Is that the sound of customers? Hundreds and hundreds of eager customers who found out about you online? You better watch out. They're going to mess up those beautiful shelves.